In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Arc Search browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to download the right Arc browser on your Android smartphone is pretty simple. Just go ahead and look for Play Store and then tap on this. Now from here, go ahead and search for Arc browser, or using the search icon here. If you don't see this search bar, go ahead and tap on search below and then just search for the app or the browser by word like that, and then tap on search. And here you can see we have quite a number of browsers. We are looking for Arc Search. Here is the right browser. Make sure it is from the browser company of New York, Niche. And this is the logo for this Arc browser. This is the tagline: Arc Search, find it faster. Currently, this app has a star rating of 4.6 with over 11,000 reviews, and it has over 500,000 downloads. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this browser and install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here to start using it. Or if you go to your apps, now you can see we have the Arc Search browser available for you here. So that's how you can download the right Arc Search browser on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.